Skype?
Like in similar to,
Yeah,
yeah, they have,
yeah.
I think, changed.
Yeah,
They have bought it.
yeah,
That was the previous one.
yeah.
Maybe this
They merged it.
Microsoft product.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. Microsoft product. That's Skype, yes. Yeah, same thing.
So
Yes, same. So Skype, we are saying Skype is more than
same.
the same. So we will not be using all of them. Okay, so
You want me to start?
Yeah, you can start.
then you need to give the points.
Yeah,
as
yeah.
well.
The point is
Yeah, points,
yeah,
points
yeah.
are
So first I will ask you about the problem solving. So main requirement is problem solving, of course.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we are trying to
Yeah,
solve the,
yeah.
solving the problem to avoid the fall
Fall,
risk
yeah,
or
yeah.
to improve the
Yeah, muscle. Yeah.
the gait,
Yes,
gait patterns
yeah.
of a person who is having this kind of.
Okay, and then the second question: are students working on a real world problem?
Yes.
Yes, of course. So, and the third question would be: does it require innovation?
Yeah, it may require in terms of what parameters have to be
Yeah,
recorded
yeah,
to
yeah.
see whether
Yeah.
so there may be some parameters will be working, others will not
Yeah,
be working,
yeah.
and then when they are recording the like because we say it's this movement of a person and that which muscles are there, how to find out those muscles and all these things.
Yeah, so
So how to
definitely.
fix all these things on this person. So it would require
Yeah,
definitely.
innovation. So
Hmm.
congratulations, problem solving. You have acquired level 4, the
Okay,
highest.
thank you.
Oh,
So I write down
Yeah.
problem solving level 4. Okay. The next question would be about skill communication. So does the assignment require extended or multimodal communication?
Yes, because multimodal
Yeah.
communication, we need presentation, we need demonstration,
Yes,
like a
yeah.
video.
It's just not one.
Yeah,
One.
it's not.
Yeah. Okay.
So they can make a video, they can share it, they can write a report, they can present it
Yes. Yes.
somewhere, they can
Yeah.
show
Yeah.
the product
Show.
actually how.
Not just one model. Yeah. That's good. So the second question would be: students must provide supporting evidence. Does the student have to provide supporting evidence?
Supporting evidence on
I
what?
think on the outcomes or the products. So while communicating it with others.
Yeah, so they need
Yeah,
to
basically
demonstrate.
they have
They must demonstrate, otherwise how will
yeah.
how will they be able to say
Yeah,
that?
there's nothing to
yeah.
otherwise there's nothing
Yeah.
to okay
Yeah.
show. So the third question would be students communicate to a particular audience.
Yes,
Yes.
because they have to talk to the
Yeah.
specific
Yeah.
people who are having this disease and the
Yeah.
clinicians.
Not just
Not
within
randomly.
themselves. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Again, congratulations. It's
Oh,
level
okay.
4. So skill communication.
Yeah.
And the last one would be self-regulation from me. Uh, Long-term activity and students have learning goals and success criteria in advance. We discussed this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So definitely they have the success criteria in
Yeah,
advance.
they advance. They have to have
Yeah.
working product.
Yeah.
That would be the successful. I mean,
Yes.
criteria is that.
Yeah.
And long-term goal, definitely long-term learning
Yeah.
is that they are trying to
Big-
solve a big problem.
Yeah, and can be used in the real world situation. Yeah. So the second question will be: students plan their own work. Do they plan their own work, or the work has to be planned by teachers?
Because if we divide this one into groups,
Yeah,
group,
yeah.
then there would be definitely components which every student has to do himself.
Okay.
But
But the
they can
planning.
I mean, initial plan would be in a group.
Okay.
Then later on, individual person has to come up with
Yeah.
his own thing.
Yeah.
So then there's this one. They some I think somehow, or I don't say 100%,
Oh yeah, yeah,
but
yeah.
they will have some.
Yeah, at some point
At some point
they
they will
have
have
to
to
plan.
plan
Yeah.
according to because if they are programming, so they have for
Yeah.
example, if I say one person is programming, another person is finding how to communicate
Yeah,
between
yeah.
the devices, then he has to plan that how he
Okay.
can achieve
Yeah,
this
and
communication.
also the time management,
Yes,
right? They have to
yes.
plan when and where.
They must make some Gantt chart at the
Yeah,
end?
yeah.
From the
Gantt chart.
beginning that planning is important.
Yes, yes. So I take it as a yes.
More or less yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anyway, that would be yes.
And the third question would be: students have opportunity to revise work based on feedback.
Yes,
Yeah.
because at every
Is
step
it?
they,
This
a demonstration is the
special
last
day?
step.
Yeah.
But at every step they have to see
Yeah,
whether they
yeah.
are able to detect some
Okay, yes,
angle or
yes,
not,
I
whether
understand.
they are
Yeah,
able to
but
stimulate the
it
muscle.
works.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
every
At some point.
thing has to be
Okay.
at some point they must get, because if that component is not working, so this
Yeah,
means
they
you cannot
cannot,
move the
they
next
cannot, yeah,
step.
they cannot move forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So again, it's level 4, the highest.
I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Other than one part, we
Yeah.
then you know. What are you asking?
Huh?
Don't ask
I don't
difficult
know.
question.
Well, collaboration.
Yes.
So students are required to work in pair of groups.
Yes, this because it's a big project, so we
Okay.
have to devise the project into components,
Yeah.
and the student must work in group. Otherwise, one student cannot complete this project in one time. So
Mm.
that is
Yeah.
the case.
So big groups. So how many groups? Maybe like
No, this,
you
but it
six
depends. If
or
we,
6 people you
no,
can.
number of students in a group. I think three to four students
Yeah.
would be enough. Three students would be
Three.
enough.
Three student
Huh?
for each group.
Yeah, three students for each group. But if I say this month, because we are giving same assignment, so this means three in each group would be okay. There are two groups. There can be two groups. If I have six students, there can be two groups.
Yeah.
So this the final project for your
If
study.
it is a final project or final year project or final project.
No, your final project for assignment.
No,
Assignment.
so that's what I'm saying, that it would have timeline from the beginning when we start the topic. Then we will be giving them from day one that these are the steps they have to follow. So they will be studying different components like how to use accelerometer. They will study in first few weeks. So this means the whole for one semester this project is
Oh, for all semester this
whole
one.
semester, one
So
semester.
like 4 months.
For
4 months.
around 4 months.
That's long.
Yeah, it's long, but that's a, otherwise you cannot.
Yeah.
If you I want to, I mean, develop something, then it should be for long period of time.
Student have self responsibility. Yeah.
Student will have, yeah, because if we divide the project into components, and each student has to uh, come up or complete his own component, then this means they will have the responsibility. Otherwise,
Yeah.
how the other person, if they don't do this thing, then the other person is
Yeah.
work will also be
Because he says that they are divided into like communicating.
yeah, communication
Yeah.
part, stimulator part,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
programming part, then data collection
Yeah.
part, all these things.
Maybe writing part also.
Right, yeah, writing part is at the end,
Yeah.
obviously, but that we can say we are sharing. We ask
Yeah,
them
sharing,
to
yeah.
write their own component and
Yeah.
share by using maybe Office
Yes,
365 or any other.
Is it possible to
Huh?
publish in
Yeah,
conference like this
publishing is
or
also possible.
journals
Yeah, but we don't know
for your
whether
project?
how much
Yeah.
it is successful. But that is one possibility that they can.
But publishing is not just like
To
journal.
Now
conference
is
or
the sharing session.
Okay.
Again, like just now, I like you to make substantive decision whose story you going to share. Ideally, if I'm going to simulate a technology enriched instruction, I will make you all type it and share with me on OneDrive. Or I'll ask you to make a PowerPoint, or ask you to record, to record a video, with your presentation, show me. So that's how I can enrich the instruction. But we don't have time for that for now. But I like to hear face to face. Can I start from that group? What innovative lesson have you designed?
We did know that there are bits and pieces that we were doing, but this one is giving us more structure to what we're doing and more of the language, and it's really enthusiastic to understand all these stuff. What I've been doing is for assignment for anemia for the students. What we do is it's like, what are the things and what is the guidelines that we have? For example, anemia means it is like less number of red blood cells in the body. So if there's less, then the oxygen
Oh.
I'm trying to
Can I stop you first? I forgot. The rest of you, while your friend is describing, can you hold that card and analyze the pink card? You will listen to her story, and then you will tell her later the feedback, what course she has listened. And the story you're telling, you're going to tell me what technology you are using to enhance or enrich, and what pedagogy you're going to use.
Are we going to assess the other groups?
Yeah, why not? The others also. If you like to assess, you can listen also. You can use the pink cards. Okay, let's begin. The content first. Anemia, we know the content already.
Yes, that's the one. So once we have it, what we do is we give them what it is, a declarative thing, like what is it all about and how do we do, as we got to know about choices available, what are the choices that we have, different types of energy and all that. So they will be doing it, the pedagogy would be note taking, compare and contrast, and discuss. This would be the things. And what the technology they would be using is Google Drive, OneNote, and SkyDrive as well to share their data. That's what we have. In case of the procedure, we will be doing about how this can be implemented. For example, if it is just about a little bit less of anemia, then what drugs can you take? Can it be just controlled by diet? Or if it is really very high, how worse is it? Then you have to give the blood transfusion. So those are the choices and the criteria that we have. And this, they have to do it for demonstration. It would be different. Like they have to do the simulations. That would be in a software. We have software called as a computer-aided learning software, where we have a little bit of anemia. You put one drug and it goes up. It shows visually how it goes up. So that can be implemented as a simulation. Then the schematic would be the pedagogy is guidelines, choices, and criteria. We already have guidelines for anemia as such by the World Health Organization, so that can be applied over here. And the technology that I want them to use is the mind maps here.
Mind maps,
It's
yes.
not in this, but we can
Yes,
use the mind maps.
it's not confined to those cards.
Yes. So we want. I would like them to use ideally mind map for everything because it's easier to understand for them. And the last one, the strategy, we were not thinking about it, but we can use the symposium or the wiki. For me, it would be a journal paper. That would be the final thing for the dissemination of knowledge. And this can be by video making, by a movie maker, or something like that.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, what card have you got in your hand, Jabada?
Problem solving.
Problem solving. Can you assess what code has she reached?
I think she could reach level 2, but could be level, level 3, but could be level 4 as well, because she requires
What's level 4?
Level 4 requires innovation.
Requires innovation. So if you want to innovate, you can upload the videos on YouTube. Okay. Thank you. Next one, what card have you got there?
Knowledge construction.
Okay.
If you can reach to 5, it could involve a simulation and actually struggle this year.
What's code 5, the question?
Learning activities in interdisciplinary.
Interdisciplinary, code 5. Okay, well done. Next one?
And I have ICT knowledge.
Okay.
So technology, right?
Yes.
And then she could get 4 or 5, because the last question is, students are designers of an ICT product. So actually the final product is making video or
Exactly.
yeah, so
Making video and putting it on YouTube. So that's code 5. So that's good. Well done. All right. Next group, the language group. Who would like to share? Anybody?
The basic content is about the words about the illnesses and inflammatory treatment in Chinese words. But how can they talk about their experience, like in Chinese words? So first I will teach them the basic words about Chinese illness, but not all of them. So after class, I will ask them to do their research online.
So the pedagogy is research.
Not a research online. Sort of research, sort of not as big as research, but yes.
Oh yeah, okay. Finding out.
They should find out. They will know that next class we will talk about their past experience, past illness, and that illness they had. Of course, that's one. But the one what they think is the most severe, the most memorable for them. Right? So we'll talk about that.
Okay.
And we'll tell the treatment, how can we cure the illness, and also what caused their illness. So
What pedagogy are you using?
discussion.
Discussion. And technology?
Technology is